next also with the revision. Good morning, everyone. Once again, good morning.
Good
So,
morning, ma'am.
yeah, very good morning. I'm going to present my screen. I'm going to show you the worksheet. Please instruct me whether the worksheet is visible to you all. It's visible?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, your
No,
picture is
ma'am.
Okay,
blurred.
because I have not presented. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Just write the topic name building with bricks, then write the revision 1 and write the fill in the blanks. Only question number 1 we will do. 1, they are having A to J fill in the blanks. Meantime, I will ask from you also. I will call your names and I will ask these fill in the blanks from you children.
Ma'am, you have to write this in
Yes, you have to write the full sentence,
now.
not only the answer. I will
Now?
send this in the classroom also. Yes, I will send if you know in case not able to complete, but I need you need to complete it here in the class also. And children, whenever I ask something, don't show me thumbs up. You need to give me the answer because when I present the screen, I will not able to see you all.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now my answer is from Kashvi. Kashvi, read the first one. Kashvi Putra, she is there in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the first one and give me the answer.
A brick has dash edges.
Hmm.
A brick has 12 edges.
Good. Next is from Vihan Dobaria.
Yes. A square. A square has dash sides. A square has four four sides.
Good. Next is from Dania.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next one.
Ma'am, my network issue was there, so which one?
C.
Okay, ma'am. A rectangle has four faces.
Rectangle, only rectangle. It is not any square, no cube or no cuboid. Only rectangle. Only the upper part of a rectangle is a flat face. So it is having how many? It's a flat shape. So it is having how many faces?
And we have to print out this.
Only one. When you draw a rectangle on the paper पे आप जब draw करोगे rectangle, so it is only a one flat face. So only one face. Somebody was asking something.
And I was asking.
Yes, Dhyan Patel.
We have to print out here, we have to write.
You have to write. Next one. Manya.
A soap has dash faces.
First of all, you tell me because soap comes in different shapes. It depends on you that how you assume in at your home the soap is coming in which shape. Sometimes,
Oval.
sometimes yeah, oval. It is coming like if you see
Oval.
dove is oval, right?
Then
And other,
rectangle.
it comes in cuboid shape also. It comes in cube shape also. So answer may vary from child to child. आपने जैसा सोप देखा है अपने घर में उसके अकॉर्डिंग उसके फेसेस लिखो. Okay?
Ma'am, but
If it is oval.
I have two soaps at my home. One is cuboid and one is oval.
So you take any one in your mind and write the faces. Okay? Manya, so what answer you will give me according to your soap?
Two curved. It has.
It's a oval only. So when you draw on the oval on the flat face, how many faces, flat shape, right? So how many faces the oval is having?
Ma'am, three.
Wait, I'll show you. Wait a minute. Children, generally when you see the soap, it's come in cuboid shape also. You want to see the soap images? Wait, I'll show you. I will present my screen and I'll show you. Generally, the shape of the soap is cuboid only. So according to the cuboid, if we see the faces, so Manya, how many faces the soap is having then?
I have given. Ma'am, can I say?
See, can you see this shape?
Yes.
Can you all see? Yeah. So this is in which shape, Manya?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. And this is having then which, how many faces?
Ma'am, 12.
Faces?
Six.
Yes. Got it? So you please write, assume it as cuboid shape and write the 6 faces. Next, I will go to the...
And we are writing worksheet.
Yeah, I will present. Wait.
Ma'am, we are.
Next is from Granth. Granth, you are there in the class? I don't know why you children don't get your name and don't answer also. Granth is there. I'm asking from Granth is not there. Jigar Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Jigar Singh, you will read the next one and answer me.
A cube dial box
It's a
has
cuboidal. Cuboidal also called cuboid.
cuboid box has
A
dash.
cuboidal box means cuboid box has dash corners. How many corners did you sing?
8, ma'am. 8.
Yes. I will go to the next child, Rajvi Lahoti.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next one.
The number of faces in the brick is
Read it till
equal.
here. The number of faces in a brick is equal to. So you will give the number of faces in a brick. How many faces does a brick has? Faces.
Two.
2 faces brick has. How many days we are discussing the same thing? If you take the brick or 6 faces, yes. Don't get yourself confused. Do practical. See the cuboid things around you and the cube shaped things and the cylindrical, all 3D shapes. Observe them and then give the answer. Next is Ane Nair. Ane. Ane, you are there in the class? Anay?
Ma'am, Anil is not in the class.
He's not there in the class?
Yes, I think.
Yes. Let me take the attendance and then.
Ma'am, he is not in class.
Oh. Next child, Rajveer Nakre. He's there?
Ma'am.
Yes, Rajveer. You give me the answer. G. Read the G one.
A dice has 6 faces.
Yes. And what is the shape? What is the shape of a dice?
Cuboid. Cube.
Yes. Next is from Dhyan Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next one. H.
Having all the sections together, that is why there was a problem of not joining in.
A break is a dimensional object.
A brick is a dash dimensional object. कितने dimensional object होता है brick?
3.
Yes, 3 dimensional. So you will write 3. Next is for Kavian. Is there in the class? Kavian, you there in the class? My goodness, I have to see then each and every child in the class.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Tej Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
I will present, then should tell me the next one.
A triangle has their side. 3 sides.
Very good. Viva. Viva.
A triangle has dash corners.
How many corners? How many corners, Viva? Triangle has?
A
She's stuck.
triangle has dash 3.
How many? Okay.
Your voice is breaking.
My voice is not breaking, my dear. You facing the difficulty, network issue.
Your voice is breaking.
Children, my voice is breaking.
No, ma'am.
Viva, you facing problem.
Ma'am.
Yes.
What is the answer of H?
A brick is a dash dimensional object. जो D हम यूज करते हैं ना 2D 3D वो D का फुल फॉर्म है डायमेंशनल और ब्रिक जिक में कितने डायमेंशनल है ब्रिक जो है वो किस शेप का होता है तेज कुमार
5.
और क्यूबॉइड इज अ 2D 2 डायमेंशनल और अ 3 डायमेंशनल
3 dimensional.
why it is called a 3 dimensional वो जो 3 डायमेंशनल है can you name them
What, ma'am?
3D इसको इसीलिए कहा जाता है you told 3 dimensional right वो चारों तरफ से 3D शेप है तो 3 डायमेंशनल के लिए इसके अंदर 3 चीजें क्या क्या होती हैं जो हम देखते हैं
Vertex.
No. Length, breadth, and height. Got it? That is why it's a 3-dimensional.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can we write the second exercise heading?
No. Only one only.
Ma'am, Rajul Nikhar is asking
After this, there is one more worksheet if you complete this.
Ma'am, Rajul Nikhar is telling we have to write.
Rajvin Nakhre has entered now in the class and then he is asking we have to write. Yes, Raji Nakhre, you have to write. Let me take your attendance again. One more time. And then I present the screen.
मैम
Yes.
मैम
हाँ जी बोलिए काशवी.
मैम आप 9th और 10th दिखाओ ना.
It is there presentable.
ओके.
Ma'am, what's the answer of D1
Which one?
of the soap one? Which shape soap?
Cuboid.
Ma'am, what we have to do after we write all the fill the blanks?
Then you sit for 5 minutes. Then I will present the another worksheet. Children, complete it or take the screenshot. I need to present the next worksheet also to the students. Faster,
Ma'am,
take
you
the.
will send that.
You take
Yes, you have to
screenshot in
send.
laptop.
Take in
Ma'am,
mobile or something the screenshot.
Ma'am, you will send that.
I will send, but you need to complete, my dear. Fast.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the answer of if the numbers of faces in the bricks is square to equal to?
The number of faces in a brick is equal to. So you write here the number of faces in a brick. Till here only you write the question. Number of faces in a brick are 6.
Ma'am, please.
Jiga Singh, mute yourself.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see your screen.
Dania, then log out and log in again. Children, my screen is visible to other students.
Yes, ma'am, it's proper.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, please. H1.
Do fast.
Ma'am, I've taken the photo screen.
Okay. I will send in the classroom also. Okay. So I'm going to present the next now. If 1 or 2 are left, you can complete after this. This is the another worksheet. Write the revision 2, which is based on number system. Number system, Roman numbers and patterns, right? And about the shapes, everything will come in your CET. I will call your names one by one. My another sheet is visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write the question number 1, but please do it from the new page, not from the same page. Do this from the new page.
Ma'am, the heading.
Heading is worksheet 2, revision, chapter 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Heading or the topic and the index will be same.
Ma'am, what is the topic?
Just now I explained to one child, why you're not listening? and repeating the same thing again. Topic is worksheet 2, revision worksheet 2, chapter 1. Now I will ask from Mantra. Mantra. Mantra, I'm asking from you. Why you're not giving answer? Say yes, ma'am. Otherwise, I'll not able to listen you.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, Mantra, read the first one and tell the pattern.
55,324.
And next is, so after 55,324, what is the next number?
55,330.
326. Yeah, okay. You are saying 55,330.
Yes,
In the
ma'am.
blank, right?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
giving the blank answer.
Yes.
Okay. After 55,330, what will come in the next one?
55,331.
31 नहीं, 2 का gap है.
32.
हाँ जी. Thank you. Kashvi,
Yes, ma'am.
observe the next pattern and give the answer.
10,276. Then 12,270. Ma'am, the gap is of 2.
So what will come next?
After 14,000, 1,200, 276.
So what will come in the next two blanks?
Yes. 16,276. 18,276.
In the third one also, children, make 2 blanks. By mistake, there is 1 blank only. Make 2 blanks in the third one also. Okay. Next is from Nishwa Desai.
पर मारो अभी नहीं भाई
Nishwa Desai.
एक और लेके आना
Mute yourself, other students, please. Nishwa Desai is there in the class. Let me see her.
आज बनाएगी
Kashvi, mute yourself, please.
and there is Nashwa Desai in the class.
Ma'am, her mic is not working.
Whose mic is not working?
Nishwa.
Okay. Now next child. Dania.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Observe the pattern and tell me the answer of C.
Yes, ma'am.
Read these numbers first. I want to see how you children are reading the numbers. Read this number. Dania, 68.
Ma'am, 6.
My dear, be little
Ma'am,
fast.
Dana Waddle has left the meeting.
Okay, next child will read. Granth is not there, na? Rajvi Lahoti.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the number and then find the pattern. C. Question 1C.
68,342, 68,442, 68,542, 68,642, and 68,742.
Excellent. Vedant.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Question 2A, sum number A. Read it and tell the number name of this.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was telling the answers, so my network issue was there, so I just
I'll give you next chance. Let this child read first.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Vedant.
79,000 and 790 and 70.
No. 79,070 only. Why 79,700 again you told?
And because in it is 790 and then 70.
No. The way you have read first time, no? 79,070. That is the right.
That was correct.
Yes.
Okay.
Moksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
29,279.
Okay. Next, Divit.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, read the next C1. My dear student, I will tell you that you are not here in the maths class for sleeping. You need to be alert in the maths class, and I can call your name anytime. C. Divit C1.
Yes, ma'am. 98,006.
98,000.
006.
00 will not be, you will not write in the number name. 98,006. You will skip the zeros.
Okay, ma'am.
Next will be by Vishrut. Yes, Vishrut. Read the first. What will be the number name of D?
Yes, ma'am. 5,004.
No, 5,000.
54,359.
Yes. Next is from Bhavya Sagar.
Yes.
Read the number.
25,291.
Good. Next is Viva Patel.
12,950.
Yes. Next is Manya. Manya.
Yes, ma'am.
Next G.
1,000.
No.
10,079.
Yes. 10,079.
Excuse me, ma'am. I can
Next
say.
is from Danya.
Yes, ma'am.
H.
7,000.
No, 7,000. Write their places and then read it properly. Put their places in the mind. Put the places in the mind and tell fast.
Excuse me, mama. I can say.
Which child is saying I can say?
Ma'am. Ma'am, Aradhya.
Yeah, Aradhya, your turn will come. Danya, you not able to read it?
No, ma'am.
I was asking the last one, no?
Yes.
So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, and when it is a 10,000, will we read two numbers together, 70,000, and now we skip 0, we will come on 9, 70,009. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aradhya. Now tell me how you will write the number of this number name.
79,030.
So tell me in numbers, 79,030 कैसे लिखोगे?
Ma'am, first we will write 79 and then we will write 1,000
नो,
And-
1000 थोड़ी वर्ड लिखोगे, स्पेलिंग 1000 तो नहीं आएगी ना.
And
79 लिखोगे. नंबरिंग में हाउ यू राइट इन द chat box. I want to see your answer, Aradhya. Write in the chat box. Only Aradhya will write in the chat box because I want to see how he will write this. Aradhya, once you complete, then tell me. Next answer, I want to see. Rajveer Nakhre will write in the chat box. And third one, C1, 30,001, will write by Jigar Singh. And D1, are you all listening your names?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
please listen your names carefully and write the answers in the chat box. Next will be done by Vihan Dobaria, D1. Nishwa Desai, E1. Only these students
Ma'am,
will write the
Aradhya has
answer in
written.
the chat box. Yes?
Aradhya has written.
Yeah.
79,000 and
Let me
30.
check. Let me check. Aradhya, this is wrong. I told you when you see the highest place value, it is till 10,000. So you place the places and then write the number under the places. और जो बीच में छूट गया, you write the 0 on that place. Got it, Aradhya?
Ma'am, you can show the screen. I don't know the number.
Yes. So it will be 79, 0 at the 100 place because 100 place is not here, and then 30, 30. And next is 46,600.
Ma'am, I have written in the chat box answer.
Let me check. 46,602. 46,502 you have written. It's not 602. Wait. Let me read maybe. Yeah, sahi hai. It's okay. 46,502. Right. Next is 30,043. 30,000 के बाद, if you observe, the 100 place is not there. Have you all observed? Viva, I think just sitting and observing what others are doing. Are you writing, Viva? Viva, you are writing in the notebook?
Ma'am, I can't see the screen, but.
My dear, sorry for this. You cannot say after the class, at the end of the class, that ma'am, I cannot see the screen. You wait for 1 minute. I will talk to your parents, right?
Ma'am, you will send this PDF.
Yes, I will send this in the classroom. So I'm going to end the class.
Question.
Ma'am,
Please,
section
can you send
and
that
HRM.
second worksheet also?
Both I will send in the classroom.
Ma'am, because I am at the question 2.
No problem.